MINISTA MWERU wa MITITU na maria maturigiciirie ndagitari DEBORAH Barasa ni atamburukitie kioneki giake gia kugacirithia ministry no ira oigite ni gituge gia bata hari ukuria na gutheremia utonga wa bururi. Akiarihire icera riake wabici-ini nene cia ruhonge rwa MITITU KFS, Barasa ni oigire mamwe ma maundu maria arenda gukinyaniria ni gutigirira ruhonge rwa kuramata MITITU KFS ni rwerugamia kimuhuko mugaru na ihinda riri.
Strategies that need to be incorporated, how we move forward to ensure that we are having internal resources as a ministry in order to be self-sufficient. And this includes incorporating payments through the e-citizen platform in the various areas that we had discussed.
Ane gukinyaniria undu uyu Barasa ni arugamite ikundi cia kuramata MITITU gwata andu KIUMBE kunganagia mbeca mihang'o-ini yothe mutito-ini guku bururi-ini undu uria utigeirwo KFS.
I challenge the service to innovate and develop robust internal revenue generation strategies. This may involve exploring forest-based enterprises, ecotourism, carbon credits, and or forming a strategic partnership.
Ikundi citiganite guothe bururi-ini cikoretwo cikiheana motungata ma utwarithia wa mĩithikiri, mbarathi, mithako itiganite, mambura matiganite gatagati ka maundu mangi na kungania mamilioni ma mbeca. Guku KFS ikirikana yonaga o gacunjĩ kanini ka mbeca iria ciunganagio.
It's time to create a financially self-sufficient KFS that can fulfill its obligations and maintain operations even amidst fiscal challenges.
Jirege ya kwambatiria ungania wa kigina ruhonge-ini ruru ni kuhurana na ungumania.
Are fully committed to eradicating malpractice and ensuring that our officer found engaging in unethical or illegal activities are held accountable. I call upon KFS leadership to set a strong example and establish integrity as the cornerstone of forestry operations in our country.
Kioneki cia Barasa no waki wa nyumba cia raithi cia arangĩri a MITITU na maabitha angĩ kwambatirio ngathĩ kwa maabitha aria matereka kwambatirio no handi wa mĩtĩ bilioni 15.
Acting positions of which I've instructed the board to ensure that they expedite the process of confirming the staff into permanent and pensionable positions. Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitau jeta gitau wa Wanjiku.
Okay.